how to fix Instagram mention in story problem. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the mention problem easily and fast. All what you wanna do guys is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then click on the Instagram. Now all what you wanna do here is click on the power usage details. After you click on it, make sure that to enable the power consumption alert like this, and then click on the app launch and make sure that everything is enabled. Click OK and go back. Now click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. Last thing you want to do is go back to the settings, click on the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.